Hi, today we'll create the black mask that's needed for raised spot UV. This would be the same mask that's needed for a regular spot UV. In this case, we have a business card, and that's 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches tall. And we have this logo, this sort of logo, and this is where we will want to have the raised spot UV. When we created this file, if you go to document setup, you'll notice that we have created bleed just from the get-go. Let's take a look now at the layers that we have for this project. So we have the main logo, the copy, and a few guides. So we are going to see how to create the mask. The first thing is we'll select the logo and we'll duplicate this layer. The layer that's underneath will hide and block, and we'll select the layer that we want to transform into pure black, because a mask requires pure black. If it's not pure black, if it has gray shades or screens or things like that, that won't work. It's either on or off. Either you have a mask or you don't have a mask. So having selected that, we'll go to the Pathfinder, which we have here, and we'll join everything that's on that specific layer. Now we'll change its color. We'll need to make this color just 100% black, so we'll remove the cyan, we'll remove magenta, removing yellow, and we'll assign 100% to black. So now we have the layer. So what this is telling us is that this area that's 100% black is the area where the spot UV will be applied. Now we need to create both files, so we have everything in place. We'll create the print file first, so we'll show the logo and we'll hide the path. We'll come here, save as. We'll save this as print file 1, business card. Now we need to make some decisions. We want trim marks and we want to use document bleeds. So we'll save the PDF, and the PDF should open itself here. So we have the PDF. This is the print file. Now we need a second file, which will be the mask file. So let's create the mask file. In order to create the mask file, all we have to have on that image is the areas where the raised spot UV is going to be applied. So we need to hide the logo and we need to hide the words. And we need to bring the black area. So now that we have that, we'll again save as. So we'll name this file as mask file 1, and we'll save it. It's going to allow us again to make sure that we have trim marks and document bleeds, and we'll click OK. So now we have actually two files. We have the print file and we have the mask file. The mask file again looks like black, but once the spot UV is applied, the spot UV is a very liquid, very transparent, very shiny element. It looks black, but in reality it's like transparent and glossy and shiny, so don't worry about the appearance of the black. It's just a way to indicate where the spot UV has to be applied. So these are the two files that you need to provide. for your business card with a raised spot UV. I hope that this was useful for you. Let us know. Bye bye.